Good morning, world, and all that inhabit it. That was a SpongeBob reference, by the way. I'm going to take you through an ideal morning routine for somebody who has eczema, especially if your eczema is related to stress, which is pretty much all of us. So what I like to do right when I get up is drink water. So I want you guys to drink at least this much water right when you get up. Just kidding, I'm not gonna chug this. That's actually not good for your digestive system. Did you know that? Make sure that you're just like sipping water for about an hour. Just like let it go for a couple of minutes, take another sip, but just make sure you're getting this down in the first hour that you wake up. So the ideal routine is what you wanna do is stretch for 2 minutes, meditate for 2 minutes, and then journal for 1 minute. So I'm gonna walk you through this, and you can even do this with me, and I'm gonna set a timer. So I have an interval timer, and actually what I'm gonna do is have it click like every 30 seconds, which helps me just like change my stretches around. And so we're just gonna do this in live time. So I'm gonna just move the camera and we're gonna do it. All right, the timer is going. This is gonna be for 2 minutes. Let's do this. I like to do yoga moves when I'm stretching. So I like to do like this, downward facing dog. Okay, so the first 30 seconds is coming to an end. Then I like to make sure that I'm stretching out my legs. So I'm gonna do this for another 30 seconds. That way when I'm sitting in doing my meditation, I feel nice and stretched out. Okay, 15 seconds more. Lean forward, lean back. Put a little pressure on your knees. Rock side to side. Side to side, side to side. Okay, we have another 30 seconds. I'm gonna put my feet out, reach, 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 reach. I'm gonna put my leg over, stretch out this way. Put my leg over, stretch this way. And I actually have lower back. My lower back isn't that strong. So what I'm gonna do next is cat-cow, and yes, it looks super silly, but go ahead and do this with me, especially if you sit at a desk all day long. So you arch your back, you round your back, you arch your back, you round your back. So we have 18 seconds of looking absolutely ridiculous. 10 more seconds. You got this, let's go. Okay. So now we're gonna meditate for 2 minutes. Okay, I have my timer ready. We're gonna do another 2 minutes. The idea of meditation is to become one with your body. So really paying attention to your breath. So you want to let all of your thoughts escape you, and you just want to be with your breath. Think about every body part. Start with your toes, work your way up your body. We can incorporate some self-love. I love my toes. I love my feet. I love my calves. I love my thighs. I love my legs. I love my torso, I love my waist, I love my belly button, I love my chest. As I do this, think about those body parts. I love my shoulders. Release the tension as we talk about each area. Release the tension in your shoulders. I love my arms, I love my forearms, I love my hands. I love my fingers, I love my fingernails. I love my neck, Tilt your neck side to side. Roll your neck around. Roll your neck the other way. I love my chin. Point your chin down. Point your chin up. I love my cheeks. I love my eyes. I love my nose. I love my mind. Take a deep breath in. Okay, let's see how much time we have left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. So I now want you to go grab your journals and we're going to journal for 1 minute. Now I'm going to set the timer for 1 minute. Hey Siri, set the timer for 1 minute.
Your timer is set for 1 minute.
Okay, finish up your journals. Then I'll give you a second to just finish writing, finish your thought. 1 minute is not bad at all. So at this current moment, the only morning supplement that I take is Candex. So because I deal with stress, which I am managing, by the way, I'm managing it very well. I will slowly not even need these anymore, but because I'm dealing with stress, I believe that stress can feed candida. I don't exactly know why. It could be by your eating patterns when you are stressed, but basically Candex goes and it eliminates candida, but it does this by breaking apart the bacteria. So I talk about Candex all the time now because ever since I found it in a grocery store, I feel amazed by it. So it contains 64,000 CUs of cellulase, 40,000 HCUs of hemicellulase, 4,000 SKB of amylase, 1,000 SUs of invertase, and then 200 AGs of glucoamylase. It's seriously amazing. I had a tiny patch of stress eczema. It is gone, gone, which is amazing. But it also means that you have to be actively working with your mind and your body to relieve your stress, which is why this morning routine is so important for you guys. And I want you guys to do this in the morning and at night. But the best part about this is I have this all written down. I do have a free ebook for you guys. CoachMichelleMills.com/freemium, FREMIUM, freemium, right? Go ahead and drink some water. Yes, so I have a free ebook that talks about this whole routine. Included is a perfect day routine where I go through what you should do throughout your whole day. So, this is a quick video for you guys. I know you guys are gonna love this, especially because it's interactive. Do this with me every single morning. I will link the Candex down below. So, that's it. Thank you so much for watching that video. I'm now gonna go over all the different things that I offer and how I can help you further. So if you're looking for a support group, I do have a Facebook support group called Healthy Skin, Happy Living. It's an awesome community full of people all over the world. It's very diverse and people go in and just ask each other, you know, I have this problem, is it normal and am I okay? And so people will be like, yeah, I went through the same thing. So if you're looking for a little bit more specialized help, I do have a self-help guide. So if you're somebody that's like, I can do this myself, I know what I'm doing, all I need is a guide, then I do offer that on my website. Just go to coachmichellemills.com/self-help, or just go to coachmichellemills.com and explore the different options. If you need even more help than that, I do have coaching programs. It's for eczema specifically, inflammation-related disorders and diseases as well, and I help coach you through that. It is a very specialized coaching. There is a video on my website that goes in depth. So I just wanted to tell you guys, I have a lot of stuff going on and I can help you in such a large range of ways. And if you shoot me a message on Instagram, my handle currently is Michelle Mills _. It will be changing to Coach Michelle Mills very soon. Send me a direct message and I will add you to a support group messenger on Instagram. And everyone is amazing, still very diverse, very supportive, and I'll see you guys there. See you in my next video. Bye!
Crashing waves, I wanna see them.